And here we are on my Covert Context demo blog, and I'm going to show you how the plugin works and why it's so effective as it is in generating Amazon commissions on autopilot. Now on here I have a post about it's a dishwasher buying guide and what to look for in a dishwasher. Now I could have had banner ads, anything on here to try to sell some dishwashers or related products, but as you know, people are gone completely banner blind to that, and they zone out. They just want to read the content, and they will ignore your ads, and your ad revenue or your affiliate commissions will be very, very low. Conversely, when people read an article like this and they're looking to buy a dishwasher, they're used to having links in here for more information. So when they see these links here, it's very, very likely that they will move their mouse over. And what happens then is that the Covert Context plugin serves them an ad for this keyword from Amazon. In this case, a nice stainless steel built-in dishwasher for $300, and they can then click the button here to go to Amazon to look at the product, buy it, and you earn a commission. Or they can click the link here to see more like it, or perform an Amazon search using your affiliate link, and anything they buy from there will be through your link. So this is, in a nutshell, how the plugin works. These contextual ads here for keywords that you specify, you'll pull in top-selling Amazon products in a way that people will definitely notice and are very, very likely to click on these to go and buy the product or read more about it on Amazon. And that's how you can make a lot of Amazon sales from this, especially if you write blog post and use this on blog post that has very keywords that where people are ready to buy something. For example, this dishwashing buy guide, people who are reading something like this are generally looking to buy a dishwasher. So if they actually see something here that they like, they're very likely to go and purchase it immediately, netting you a commission. Now let's go under the hood and see how this all works and how easy it is to work with. So this is inside the plugin. What you set up here is your Amazon settings, affiliate ID, and so on. That's pretty straightforward. One of the features here is you can select the different Amazon regions. So if you have a blog that is in German, you can select the Germany region on Amazon, or the India, Italy, and so on. You can also specify how many ads you want per page and so on, and exactly how you want your ad to look, including how you want to highlight the keywords. We can do a dashed line here or a dotted line, all kinds of good stuff. And also how you want the pop-up ad or the hover ad that comes up to look like, font weight, colors, and all that good stuff. So you have a lot of options to customize this, including background colors and everything, so you can make it match exactly the theme you're using on your blog. In the contextual ad campaigns here, you can see I have one set up here that I did for the test we just did. You can create an unlimited number of these contextual ads. You can specify that they should be pulling products from specific Amazon categories in a specific price range. And you can also, you put in your keyword here, which will be a keyword list of which words you would like to have highlighted. And then you can say that they should only be showed on posts in a certain category, on all your posts, or just on your pages, and so on. So you can really niche this down to showing some very, very, very related products for people who are looking at some posts in your specific categories. Final thing I just want to show you here is, in my opinion, the most powerful function in this plugin at all. And this is this little thing here. We have a checkbox that says automatically optimize. And what that means is, now I only put in 2 keywords here because this is a quick demo, but if I had a long keyword list for appliances, the plugin would over time record how many people clicked on the link when they hovered over an ad for the keyword dishwashers compared to, for example, the word dishwasher singular. And then the plugin would gradually calculate all this and start showing these contextual hover ads more and more for the keywords to generate the highest click-through rate. So over time this becomes very, very powerful, and it will increase your click-through rates and thus also increase your commission checks from Amazon. So this was a quick demo of what the plugin can do. I'm sure you can see the power of this and how you can set this up to be very, very specific and effective for your blog post in generating Amazon commissions.